We have a baby whale out here. Came for sunset.
The brand new baby.
And she's giving us some
We're waiting for
spy
Mama to come up.
hops, but where's Mama? Where's Mom?
I don't see her yet.
I don't see Mom anywhere.
Right underneath, pushing her up.
I haven't even seen a blow.
There it is. No, I bet you she's right underneath. There she is.
I missed her. So now you've seen 2 whales. That's my first.
Look.
Yeah.
The
Is Mom bringing her up for air? Is that what she's doing?
They usually do, but this one here is already spy hopping, so.
Or is Mom pushing her up?
No.
Because Mom doesn't usually push her head out, does she? She just brings her up for air.
Yeah.
But that's a little one.
Oh yeah. I think there might be
She's doing pec slaps too. What the heck?
I think there might be a dolphin in the water too.
That wasn't a dolphin. Oh, you mean with it?
Yeah.
Yeah, I did.
They may have just given birth, you know.